Need to add a new important place on Life360? Let's set it up right now. First, open Life360 app and tap on Places at the bottom. Then tap Add Place. Move the map or type in the address you want. Drag the location pin exactly where you need it. Name the place like school or work. Then tap Save. Now Life360 will automatically notify your circle when someone arrives or leaves there. Set the place radius accurately. You can adjust how big or small the notification area is. If the place is not saving, check your app permissions to make sure location access is enabled. Did you add a new place? Tell me where in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.